Relocating a business in North Carolina, whether in Charlotte, Raleigh, or Cary, can feel overwhelming. From moving furniture to sensitive electronics, there's a lot to manage. In this video, we'll guide you through the key steps to make your commercial move smooth and efficient. Commercial moving costs depend on the size of your office, the number of items, and special equipment. Typically, moving an office ranges between $1,200 and $10,000, depending on complexity. Factors like building access, the need for packing services, and distance between locations can impact the final price. Most commercial moves can be completed in 1 to 3 days. Choosing off-peak times or weekends can reduce disruption to your business. Early planning ensures that your move is smooth, especially for larger offices or multi-floor buildings. Professional movers follow strict safety protocols and are fully licensed and insured, protecting your office equipment and furniture. Insurance coverage is essential for sensitive items like computers, servers, or lab equipment. Make sure to clarify coverage options before the move. Label every box clearly by department or room to make unpacking easier. Communicate with your IT team to prepare for any system downtime during the move. Organize your inventory in advance to speed up the move and avoid confusion. Commercial moving in North Carolina doesn't have to be stressful. With proper planning, professional movers, and careful preparation, your business can relocate efficiently and safely. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment if you're planning a move.